Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NC41, swatching it and sharing my first impressions. If you're around NC37 in MAC Studio Fix Liquid Foundation, finding the right shade in the powder version can be tricky, but trust me, NC41 is the perfect match. Let's get started with the unboxing and swatch. The MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation comes in this classic black cotton box with all the product details printed on it. Now, let's open it. Inside, we have the sleek black MAC Compact, which looks so elegant and travel friendly. At the back, you will find the shade details, so it's easy to identify your shade. To open the compact, you just need to press this button and it smoothly flips open. Here you can see the powder and the built-in mirror. The powder comes with a good amount of product and it's finely milled, making it super smooth and blendable on the skin. Now, let me swatch it on my hand and show you guys. You can see how beautifully this shade blends. NC41 is such a perfect match for medium Indian skin tones. It gives a natural matte finish without looking cakey. Now, if you lift the upper part, you will find the sponge stored underneath. The sponge is incredibly soft, making it perfect for quick touch-ups throughout the day. And if you look closely, there are some holes in the puff compartment. This helps the sponge breathe and stay hygienic, which is such a thoughtful design. I absolutely love this packaging. It's sleek, travel friendly and super convenient for everyday use. This is honestly an amazing powder foundation. Trust me, even if you wear just this powder foundation on its own, it gives so much coverage and you can easily build it up for more. For busy moms or anyone rushing to the office, just applying this powder foundation over a primer is more than enough. It saves so much time and OMG, you're gonna love it. Ever since I became a mom, this has been my go-to foundation. I know it's on the pricier side, but it's absolutely worth buying. The finish, the coverage, the ease, everything about it makes it a must-have. I hope this video helps you pick the right shade. Let me know in the comments if you have struggled with finding a match in MAC powders. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.